Assalamu alaikum. This is me SamraSafdar and welcome back to my channel SamraSafdar official, and also welcome back to another video. So first of all, as usual, really sorry I didn't record the video for a long time, and so many students they are asking why are you not recording. So as a student I'm just busy in my exam, so I just wanted to be get like full marks in my exam. So I just finished my like test, or now I have midterm. So I just wanted to share my this big opportunity or big success you can say to with you to motivate you and to tell you that how the abroad scholarship and abroad study will help you to enhance or to polish your skill. So last week I received this laptop as a first year in the college, and because the last year I was studying in the language center, so I now enrolled in the College of Economics and Management. So all new students who are registered from the abroad countries and also after language center, they receive this laptop. So I didn't open it, I received it last week. So I wanted to open it with you and tell you and motivate you that how the fully funded scholarship and how abroad study will change your future. So let's begin and watch video till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the SamraSafdar. So first of all, I wanted to tell you I am studying as international student at Qasimia University, and Qasimia University giving these new laptops for the new students who are registration for this year, and also after language center they are enrolled first year in the college. So I wanted to open this. So I will set my camera and then I will show you what's inside this. So I set up my camera and now let's see what's inside this big box. And they also give us the laptop bag, and this laptop bag is okay. And I will at last I will share you a secret with you, and let's open it and I will put this bag aside. So I will open it later. Now I will just open this one. Let's see what's inside it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And may Allah give me more blessings and more success, and also other students who wanted to achieve this one. Oh, Kulja. So let's see. And this big box is like a tricky mystery box. Wow, it's good. See, I will set my blade, and you can see the inside there is like this, and I think so this one is like a big size laptop, not like small size. So let's see what's inside it. I will try to. Oh, mashallah, it's so nice, good. Finally, alhamdulillah, I received my laptop, and I also asked this one in the theater to my head that when we will receive our laptop. Finally, alhamdulillah, that we received our laptop. So let's see. These are some instructions for opening the laptop and so on. And this is the laptop, and let's open. And this one is Lenovo company. Lenovo is one of the best company. I'm also using before Lenovo, and you can see the Lenovo company. And also there is new laptop. There is no like second hand laptop. So you can see this one is new Lenovo laptops. And let's try to open it. You can see the size is so big, it's not like small laptop, so I have to like carry it so difficult. So this one is the look, you can say Intel Core i5, you can see. And this one is Lenovo. So this one is also in English and Arabic. It's good for me because I have a laptop in English, so I buy a separate keyboard for in Arabic because we have to write assignments. And let's see the other thing what's inside the box. Put it aside. So this is other form. I will remove this one, and oh wow, there is a charger box, you can see. So these are the charger things, and let's see what's inside. So this is the charger, 3 plug switch, and the Lenovo is best company, good company. And you're thinking like I got Lenovo, that's why, because no, I was also using Lenovo before, so it's like working in speed. So it's alhamdulillah I got, and alhamdulillah it's so good. Hope so you will be received in future. And this is all about Lenovo. And the other thing I wanted to show you is this is the laptop bag that I receive also. So let's open it. So this is my university laptop bag, finally unboxing, and you can see there are two, and also they are giving like notebooks or pencils also as an extra mashhuri ke liye for their commercial and for their sponsor, for their marketing, you can say. So this is the laptop charger, you can see laptop bag, laptop charger, and this is the our laptop Lenovo. And I will show you the last final review. So you can see this one is the laptop in the box and the charger, and this is the laptop separate bag. I will put it aside. You can see it here, and this is the laptop. And Alhamdulillah that all the, I think so, not I am thinking, all the students who are studying in Al Qasimia, they are mashallah so lucky student. So this is first time they are giving laptops to the new students, and all students they are like feeling jealousy why they are not giving us. Even we have like high CGPA, even they are just enrolling in first semester and they got laptop. So Alhamdulillah that we got, and inshallah it will be work good, hope so. And good luck for you in the next year, and inshallah I will share with you the opportunity, and the when will be the scholarship open. So now I will open it and I will set up all the functions in my laptop, and pray for me for more success and blessing. And thank you so much for watching this video, and always remember me in prayer. Okay, good luck, Allah Hafiz, bye.